So I've got both trays of brassicas planted. Now, what a lot of people experience or have experienced is a disease called damping off. This, and you may have had this and you didn't even know what it was. This occurs when the seedlings get 1, 2, 3 inches tall and they just kind of like you mowed them off with the scissors. They just all fell over. This occurs when conditions are extremely damp or extremely wet. You may have overwatered it, not intentionally, but you're adding water to the mix and trying to get as much water to them and make sure they're happy. This is a disease that just at the soil level is where it basically rots the plant off. Now you can do 2 things to help discourage this from occurring. 1, water less. 2, you can also apply cinnamon to the surface of your grow area. Now cinnamon has antifungal properties, and this will actually help in 2 situations in your grow room. But first we just want to take, not like just a coating, not overwhelming, not tonnage on it, just cover your top of the soil there, the potting mix, just after you plant. Now if you bottom water, you don't have to worry about reapplying this. If you do top water, you might have to reapply. Bottom watering is when you fill the tray in which your seedlings are setting in and allowing the water to naturally wick up the soil, and that actually has a more balanced and even distribution of the water in the cell, rather than watering from the top where you can disrupt the seeds and actually cause problems in that instance. So you got to figure out what works best for you. So this will help with damping off. The second thing this actually helps with is if you have experienced fungal gnats or soil gnats in your grow area. A lot of soil has it. Even some potting mixes have it. You can do 2 things. 1, you can bake your soil and then use it. Or 2, you can apply cinnamon to it. Again, it has that antifungal properties. Soil gnats or fungal gnats feed off the top of the soil. They actually lay their eggs there, and because of the excessiveness of dampness or the moisture there. 1, they don't like the smell of cinnamon, and 2, it will reduce the fungal properties that exist that you may not see on the top of your soil and your seed starting mix. So keep that in mind.